Reeman delivery robots were introduced to the Myanmar garment production line. The handling robot will take up the task of moving goods and transporting garments from the warehouse to the designated workstations. Now let's see how the robotic distribution system works. Hey Andy, could you share why the factory introduced delivery robots?
As the order volume increased, we realized that traditional production methods couldn't meet the factory's demands. We needed to improve production efficiency. Therefore, we decided to introduce Reeman delivery robots to the factory, hoping to enhance productivity, logistics speed, and create a better working environment for our employees.
How do the factory delivery robots perform their tasks?
The delivery robots utilize advanced navigation systems to plan optimal delivery routes. We have set different zones and destinations within the factory. Once the robots are deployed using the navigation mapping, they simply need to be clicked to the corresponding locations to carry out designated delivery tasks, delivering items to our colleagues' workstations. The entire delivery process usually takes only 5 to 7 seconds.
What are the advantages and features of the delivery robots?
The delivery robots possess several advantages and features. Firstly, they can efficiently and quickly execute tasks, significantly reducing transportation time within the factory. Secondly, the robots can work continuously without fatigue or human errors, ensuring a consistent and stable delivery service. Additionally, the robots are capable of autonomously avoiding obstacles, ensuring the safe transport of goods. Most importantly, the introduction of delivery robots alleviates the burden on workers, allowing them to focus more on the production process and improve overall productivity.
How cost-effective are the delivery robots?
After implementing the delivery robots, our production efficiency has significantly improved. They have proven to be stable, and we were able to recover the investment costs within 4 months. Moreover, the operational and maintenance costs of the delivery robots are relatively low, making them convenient for our management.
What problems did Reeman's delivery robots solve for you?
Firstly, they greatly enhanced production efficiency, enabling the factory to fulfill orders faster and improve delivery speed. The accuracy and reliability of the delivery robots reduced the risks of human errors and lost goods. Secondly, the delivery robots lowered the risk of work-related injuries, reducing physical labor and the potential for employee harm. Lastly, the introduction of delivery robots demonstrates the factory's emphasis on technological innovation and automation, maintaining a competitive advantage in the market and laying the foundation for future development.
If you'd like to learn more about our delivery robots, please leave a comment in the section below. We look forward to sharing more stories about factory automation with you.